Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add VBA message box in Excel. So let's see for ultimate guide. So this is my Excel and you can see here I already add the message box. You can see showing the subscribed and Microsoft Excel name is showing the automatically. Just click on OK and you can see the thank you, this message will show I add. Just click on OK and here the 1000. So let's see how it's done. So first go to the developer tab, then click on the visual basics. Okay, then click on the insert tab, click on the module. Here you can see the module one page is open. Then here type sub message. Okay, then use the tab, use the bracket open and closed, then press the enter, and for this space you can add your message box. So I simply add your message box. Okay, just write the message box and click on the space and add here your message. So I add here subscribe. Okay, then use the double quote and again press the enter. Again add here second message box and use the space, then use the double quote, thank you, and double quote. So let's see, and here you can see there are some options. So this is a run option, just click on it and that's it. You can see the message box is added. Subscribe, then click on OK, then you see the second message box, thank you. You click OK again, you can see the module is open. Now if you want to add the amount, then again press the enter, then same as write the message box. Okay, then don't use the double quote, only add the amount. So I add here the 1000. Okay, so then again I show you, just click on the run option and subscribe, thank you, 1000. Okay, then I again click OK, then I add here the date. Okay, message box same as. Okay, then for date you add here the hashtag. Okay, first add the hashtag and then write the date. I add here the today's date 27/12, then slash, then 2024, then again I add hashtag. Okay, then I press the enter. Okay, now you can see 1 2 3 4 message box will show in Excel. Okay, then I click on the run and you see first subscribe, second thank you, third 1000, and fourth date 27/12/2024. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.